The Trump administration is set to dismantle the Department of Education after a Supreme Court ruling. To level set, the three primary responsibilities by the DOE are overseeing federal financial aid. They set policies, distribute, and monitor funding for student loans and grants. They enforce civil rights and equal access, ensuring compliance with laws like IDEA, supporting students with disabilities and minority groups. Last, they collect data and drive educational research. They gather national education statistics, support reform efforts, and disseminate insights. The Supreme Court has lifted the injunction. They paused the lower court's block, enabling the layoff of nearly 1,400 DOE employees. That is out of a total of 4,200. More cuts are set to come. Core roles like student loans may move to the Treasury, workforce grants to labor, civil rights to the Department of Justice, and special ed oversight to HHS. There are concerns over service disruptions. Layoffs have already triggered system outages, slower aid processing, and delayed civil rights enforcement. Critics warn that cuts threaten protections for students with disabilities, the LGBTQ+ community, and minority groups, noting quite a significant civil rights impact. There is an ongoing legal challenge. Lawsuits from states, unions, and school districts persist. The administration insists it is giving power back to the states, not dismantling the agency. This is a major shift in federal education oversight, attempting to swap centralized expertise with a patchwork of agency controls and delegated authority to states. Is still an experiment, but it does coincide with the Republican agenda of deregulation. The annual budget for the DOE is $45 billion. That would be quite the savings if we do away with the agency. Many argue that we didn't need the agency to begin with. This could have long been sent to the states for oversight. Was this micromanagement by the Department of Education? And for those that want real education reform, they are aligned with rejecting this judicial activism in trying to preserve the status quo. This win accelerates the broader DOGE agenda, dismantling 45 years of what they deem as federal education overreach and returning roughly $45 billion to taxpayers annually. Let me know your thoughts.